If we don't have our turnaround time for sex offenses down to 60 days, we're going to tell them why we're not at 60 days and what we need to get there.
A new state law requires the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation to present a quarterly report on sexual assault test times. Assistant Director Mike Lytle of the Forensic Services says the recent report shows the numbers are going down.
That our average turnaround time for sexual assault requests peaked in August of 2022 at 45.4 weeks. In May of 2023, we were down to 22.7 weeks statewide.
Recent numbers show 476 kits are still waiting to be tested statewide. This is down from October 2022 of 1,005 kits. The state's testing of sexual assault kits became a national issue following the September 2022 murder of Memphis kindergarten teacher Eliza Fletcher. The suspect was linked to a 2021 rape with evidence from a sexual assault kit that was unprocessed for almost a year.
I think long-term, getting people hired and getting people trained is going to be the key. Short-term, honestly, we have changed our efforts towards testing those cases specifically.
Turnaround times have gone down in all 3 TBI testing centers in Jackson, Knoxville, and Nashville. TBI officials telling members of the media they credit hiring more people in the labs to test the kits, as well as federal funding to send kits to be tested in a lab in Florida.
Outsourcing additionally will help kind of get us out of credit card debt a little bit, to get our head above water. But ultimately, the key to getting this done is to get enough people hired, trained, and retained to provide that testing.
Lytle says he believes the turnaround time will drop again to probably closer to 16 or 18 weeks. In Jackson, Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.